So, this home located in Reedy is overlooking the town of Reedy. So it has a really great view from the front porch. Also from the second story, you can see the big window on the second story. That's a master bedroom, so it has a spectacular view from up there as well. The home, it's an older home. It's been remodeled, but they've done a really great job with it. Of course, it's got the metal roof, so that's going to outlast us all. The living room features that huge fieldstone fireplace. It's really cool. It had a wood stove in it at one point in time, so you could probably put that wood stove back in there again and be well. I like the hickory kitchen cabinets in there. There's two sets. There's one there and one on the opposite side, and room for your range and refrigerator on that side, and it can be gas. This is available. This is the main bathroom. It's on the main floor. Very spacious. All the flooring throughout the house is great. Really nice flooring through it. The two bedrooms, they're on the main level. Nice big laundry room. And this is the upstairs master bedroom. It is huge, huge. Of course, this has its own bath with it. The big walk-in shower with chair seats in it. Then off of this room is a Florida room. This room right here. It's very nice. It goes right off into the backyard. The garage, again, super nice. About 2/3 of it is a concrete floor, and then a third to the right hand side is wooden. As you can see in there, lots of lighting. Has big windows, big bank of windows down one side for natural light in there. So in the winter, you'd have a nice place for a cozy warmth place to work with the wood stove in there. And it has a carport. You can put equipment, big boy toys like ATVs and side-by-sides. It's great hunting right there. And I know a previous owner who used to hunt in a tree stand located to the right and back on that hill there just a little bit. And there's a few acres there for that hunting in the woods. That spot right there was their garden area. And there is city water and city sewer there. So if you'd like to see it, give me a call at 304-377-3758. I'm Mike Greenlee, the broker.